Welcome to this serene 3-bed 2-bath home on 9+Acres in Tennessee. A private creek with multiple waterfalls and a swimming area offers a tranquil retreat, while walking trails and a park-like setting provide a peaceful ambience. Additional features include a gun range, RV hookups, a pole barn, multiple sheds with power, a gazebo overlooking the creek, fruit trees, and raised bed gardens. The home is equipped with a whole house generator and security system and features an oversized 2-car garage with ample parking. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.